My name's Jeremy Hebert. I'm a Powerline Technician Trade Specialist at the Stonewall Training Center. I've been with Hydro for almost 14 years, so I got to travel all over the province, and I've been here for a little over 3.5 years. When I got the opportunity to come here on a temporary position, I really enjoyed the camaraderie with all the guys and getting to know all the trainees. I just really enjoy sharing my knowledge with the trainees and helping them out through their careers at Manitoba Hydro. The Stonewall Training Center is where we have our Powerline Technician training schools. I think we're really lucky to have a training center like we do in Stonewall. It gives us a lot of scenarios where we can practice stuff that we might see in the field. For example, doing some underground troubleshooting or changing three-phase pole energized without having customer interruption. So I think it's a good facility so the guys can really get their hands on. They really get a feel of what to expect when they go out to the field. I really enjoy getting to know these guys from the time they get hired on, where they really don't have a background with electricity or working outside climbing poles. I really enjoy helping them out through their careers and just to see how far they've come from the day they've started to the smiles on their face when they come to their journeymans and you shake their hand and they're really proud of what they've accomplished in the last 4 years. I think that's really rewarding for me, and I really enjoy it. I think Hydro's always done a good job promoting safety. The reality is we work with high voltage conductors and there really is no second chance, so it's important for us to follow all the rules and safety procedures so that we can all go home safe at the end of the day.